This is the ultimate Compak V4 clutch. If you have it, or if you would like to have it, this video is for you. So this clutch, it has 3 positions, 1, 2, 3. Number 1 is just to build in, build out. So it's just to build the shoes and springs and so on. Or if the track is extremely slippery, but I would not recommend to use that position in other case. Number 2, the most common use. In a normal track or track which is a bit slippery, a bit grippy and so on. So you will use that many times. When you go to number 3, when you feel like it's extremely grippy and on power it makes like boop, the engine just missing power, you don't have that crispy power it has usually, then we go to number 3. How to change from 1 to 2 to 3? I show you. So when the clutch comes, it comes with the number 1, with the first position. And we told that the first position is only in some cases, not always. Why we did that? Because on this position, it means the springs has no tension. They are almost free. So that's the best way to keep the clutch when you don't run it. So if, for example, you make a race or a test or whatever, when you finish the day, just put it back to number 1 position. So the springs, the life of the springs will be much longer than if we leave the springs on number 2 or number 3. And then about the tools, if you see, we have narrows here. We have to put the black one on the flywheel and the red one here. If we put the right position, we see that it indicates where to go on harder for the number 2 and number 3. So the plus here, it means harder spring. So we go again, that will be number 1. So we go number 2 and then number 3. Ready. And obviously you can change it built in the car. You just hold on the flywheel and then with the red tool you just go to one way, softer or harder. It's so easy. So it's that simple, that both tools with a clutch, we change the position, so we'll have a harder clutch or softer clutch, and that's all. So simple and easy. Bye bye.